Hi, I'm Michael, and I have a very specific set of skills. I don't have a PhD in anything, but I do have a whiteboard, a blue cap, and way too much curiosity for my own good. I take the most absurd, ridiculous, and frankly terrifying hypothetical questions, and I answer them with serious math, real physics, and biology. Questions like, what would actually happen if we paved the entire ocean? Would it just be a big parking lot? Or would it turn the Earth into a toxic, oxygen-free wasteland? Or what if you ate a spoonful of a neutron star? Would you get superpowers? Or would you just explode with the force of 1,000 nuclear bombs? Or what if every single ant on Earth suddenly decided they hated you? Could you survive a coordinated attack by 10 quadrillion insects? I'm the guy who runs these simulations, so you don't have to. Because usually when I run the numbers, the results involve fire, explosions, or the complete collapse of civilization. But today, I'm not destroying the world. Today, I'm simulating a much safer scenario, a personal one. The question is, what if you subscribed to this channel right now? Let's break down the physics of that decision. First, let's look at the mechanics. Your finger applies approximately 1.5 newtons of force to your mouse or screen. This kinetic energy triggers a digital signal that travels through fiber optic cables at near light speed, all the way to a massive server farm in California. This signal flips a single bit of code from a 0 to a 1. But that's just the boring hardware part. The real reaction happens to you. According to my calculations, the moment you click subscribe, your brain releases a precise dose of dopamine. Simultaneously, your neural pathways reconfigure to accommodate an influx of useless but incredibly impressive science facts. Your conversational value skyrockets. You become the most interesting person at parties. You'll be the only one in the room who knows exactly how long a human could survive inside a black hole before spaghettification sets in. Spoiler alert, it's less than a second, but it's a very interesting second. There's also the butterfly effect to consider. By subscribing, you slightly alter the timeline of your day. In this new timeline, statistical probability suggests you're 40% less likely to step on a sharp Lego brick in the dark tonight. Disclaimer, that is absolutely not a scientific fact, but it's a nice thought. So, the data is clear. Subscribing keeps this channel alive. It makes you smarter, and it might just save your feet from plastic-induced pain. I'm Michael. This is Ask Michael. Click the button, and let's go break some laws of physics. Ask your crazy questions in the comments, and watch me dissect it in the next video.